Hello YouTube, anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this TikTok inspired bracelet. So it's this one right here. So what you're going to need, I'm going to tell you what you're going to need, is some sort of embroidery thread. And anyways, I went ahead and tied a knot at the top already of it. So I'm going to focus this really good so you can actually see what I'm doing. So anyways, I went ahead and knotted at the top of it, so just tie like a normal knot already. And then what you're going to need is 5 different colored strings. Or, no, 3 different colored strings and 2 of the same color strings. Or you can use 5 different colored strings. It doesn't really matter. So anyways, you're going to put your strings that you want on the outside first on the outside. And you're going to leave the strings that you want in the middle on the inside. In my case, I'm using orange, green, and red. So anyways, if you don't already like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, you should go ahead and go and do that. Please like and subscribe, follow, and share. So anyways, what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and start with the middle. You can also tape down this with tape or a clipboard. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to make a circle. You're going to make a knot. Then you're going to kind of slip your finger out, but you're going to hold that knot down. Then you are going to take this one from this side, and you're going to thread it through, all the way through. You're going to take that string and thread it all the way through. Then you're going to hold it with the other side of your hand. And you're going to take the other side and thread all the way through. Then you're going to kind of hold that still. You're going to kind of pull tight. Pull tight on like all of the strings, and then you're going to repeat. Then we're going to do that again. So you're going to make a loop. So you're going to make a loop. Thread the outside strings through. So you're going to pinch it. Pinch the loop so you don't lose the loop. Thread it through on each side. So we're starting with the first side. And then thread it through on the other side. Make sure to like and subscribe if you don't already to this channel, please. And also share this video with your friends. And then you're going to pull tight. Or share it with whoever. And then you're going to pull this and pull tight until you get kind of where you want it. You can kind of adjust it a little bit. You're going to pull tight on there. Okay, then you're going to repeat it. And do the same thing. We're going to show you this, I think, 2 more times, and I'm going to end the video. So you're going to take it, make a loop. Feel free to pause, fast forward, and rewind as well. Make a loop, hold it, thread through. So you're going to go ahead and thread this string through. Then you're going to thread it through on the other side. Then you're going to pull tight. Pull tight. Oh, make sure it's all the way threaded through. You're going to pull tight, and it does not have to be perfectly pull tight. Then you're going to pull tight, and then kind of just make it to where you want it. So one more, and then I'm going to, I think, end this video. So make a loop. Shimmy it off your finger. Thread each of the outside strings through. Thread this one through, and thread the other one through. And thread this other one through. You're going to take the end once I get the end. Thread through, and you kind of make an X whenever you thread it through, like an X shape. You're going to thread it through, pull tight. You're going to kind of pull this tight as well, these down, the strings on the colored strings, and then pull tight, and then whenever you get it to where you want, so just keep doing that. Then you're just going to tie a knot at the end, like a normal knot with all the colors to secure it. And yeah, so anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you already subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. So see ya. Have a great day.